Okay, you guys, as you see here, this is the key to cleaning this pool out. Okay, this right here is the best, I do mean the best, sump pump. I've tried so many other sump pumps. This one right here gets the job done. Absolutely love this thing, and I swear by it. Y'all, if y'all want this, I'm gonna link it below as well, but let's get to it. Now, this one is brand new. I do have another one, but I let my people borrow it. But I wanted another one anyway, so I got to use this pump. But get this thing hooked up. Let's get this thing hooked up. So these are the attachments that comes with. I am going to use this one right here. All you do is put that on there. Put that on there.
You want to do it? You want to do it? You step up like that. 1, 3, 2.
Now all you do is take your water hose. Pump as well. As you see, I hooked the attachment up, got the water hose hooked to it. Now, bye. Got it hooked up. We're gonna take this up off of here, because we don't need that floating in the water. Now, all you gotta do is, okay, got my hose hooked up, got my cord hooked up, got my handle ready. Now, all you gotta do is take that thing right on down. Right on down. Trying not to drop my damn phone, but y'all see them bubbles. It's already doing its job. It's already sumping and pumping. See them bubbles? Yeah. Now let's go find the other end. Okay, y'all see that? The water is coming out. Very good. See how it's flowing out? That thing flowing. Okay. Now, if you see here, we got it coming out there. We got it coming out here. I give it about 3-4 hours. And this thing will be empty. We can clean it out and fill it back up. Now, once again, all it takes, plug up, throw it in there, the hose, in the hose, it is flowing out. Literally, all the water gone in 7 hours. Thanks to this baby right here.